Hi all, welcome to the new session. This is VC from Vcacademy. In today's class, we will discuss about biotechnology and healthcare, one of the important concepts in biology, and what we will learn today. We will learn about biotechnology. So, what biotechnology does in healthcare? Most developments in biotechnology originated for their potential applications in healthcare of both human and animal, but primarily for the former, that is for the humans. It is in this sector that the contributions of biotechnology are more frequent, more notable, and more rewarding. It counts both financially and physiologically, and it is difficult to summarize the whole gamut of contributions in a single. So, what biotechnology makes or helps in mankind is it is mostly used in healthcare for human as well as animals, and mostly deals with the human and its applied diseases and its curing and all. When we see the contributions of biotechnology, they are more frequent and they are more notable, and as well as they are more rewarding also. It counts both financial and physiological aspects of the human mankind, and the companies which use these techniques has grown rapidly by using biotechnology, and it is very difficult to summarize the whole contributions of biotechnology in a single page or a single point. So let's discuss one by one, and we have made the concepts to understand wide easily. So we can divide the concept of biotechnology and healthcare in the following broad heads. So I have given 5. There are many, but for better understanding of the biotechnology and healthcare, it is easy to have the 5-point view. One is disease prevention, the next one disease detection, third one therapeutic agents, fourth one correction of genetic diseases or correction of genetics. Coming to the last point, fertility control and forensic medicine. So one by one and one heading at one time we will go with. First one is disease prevention. So what comes in disease prevention? The first thing which comes to our mind is vaccine. So what is vaccine? Prevention of diseases is the most desirable, most convenient and highly effective approach to health. This is achieved by vaccination or immunization using biological preparations called vaccines. So when we want to define, or when we have to give the definition for vaccine, we can say it as the vaccination or immunization is prepared biologically by using certain methods. Vaccine prevents, or vaccine represents an invaluable contribution of biotechnology, as they provide protection against even such diseases for which effective cures are not yet available. So what this statement gives? This statement proves that biotechnology is the one branch which has more effective way to cure disease which the normal or the traditional medicine is not able to do, and the effectiveness of vaccines may be appreciated from the fact that smallpox, which was once a dreaded disease, the world which was terror about smallpox, has been completely eradicated from the world. So how this happened? This happened because of the invention of vaccine, and to make sure, smallpox was last reported in the year 1977. That is the last case when we heard about smallpox. And coming to the various vaccines categorization, we can categorize vaccines into the following types. They are conventional vaccines, purified antigen vaccines, and recombinant vaccines. So what comes in conventional vaccines? Live vaccines, inactivated pathogens, both come under conventional vaccines. And coming to purified antigen vaccines or recombinant vaccines, recombinant proteins, polypeptides and DNA vaccines come in recombinant vaccines. What is an ideal vaccine? As we have seen the different categories of vaccine, but firstly one has to know what is considered or called as an ideal vaccine. An ideal vaccine should have the following characteristics. So firstly, what it should have? It should not be tumorigenic or toxic or pathogenic. That is in simple, if you want to say, it should be safe. And it should have very low levels of side effects in normal individuals. So what level of side effects it must have? It must have a very low level or null effect in normal individuals. It should not cause problems in individual with impaired immune system, and it should not cause any problem in individuals with impaired immune system. So the one who is having less immune system also, it should not cause any problem. That is a category for making it as an ideal vaccine. And not only that, it should not spread either within the vaccinated individual or to other individuals, such as live vaccines. So when we give medicine or vaccine or immune system to one individual, it must not contaminate the individual who has taken the vaccine, or it must not spread to the other animal or other individual through the one who got vaccinated. And it should not contaminate the environment. So one more important thing is that it must not contaminate the environment, and it should be effective in producing long-lasting humoral and cellular immunities. We will discuss later about what is humoral immunity and cellular immunity in detail. So the technique of vaccination should be simple, and it should be very cheap so that it is generally affordable by common people. So these are all comes under what is an ideal vaccine or what can be considered as an ideal vaccine. But the fact so far is that such ideal vaccine has not been developed. We hope that in future days we will get such ideal vaccine.